Welcome back to Asi the Heart on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they started about the world. Wazobia Max, UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable and www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We get Romeo on top of our telephone line all the way from Bariga. Romeo, thank you very much for your patience. Welcome to Asi the Heart.
Morning, Oga Chukwudi and Oga Ugubi.
Good morning, Romeo.
I like this your dress, Oga Ugubi.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Illuminati prophet.
Yeah.
He said yes.
He said,
you
like
see, they have identified you.
He said, be like waiting,
Be like
Romeo.
waiting.
Illuminati prophet.
Romeo, of all things now, why
Of
now?
all what? You are wearing black.
Do you hate me that much?
Hate you what? Is that who you are?
Romeo, address, talk to us, we'll hear you.
Sorry.
No, I'll hear you. Talk to us.
On the issue of hijab, I think the idea is not well acceptable because when I went to study, in Lorry, I went to a public school where both Christian and Muslim.
Okay.
We were all together. And each Friday, everybody will go to their place of worship. Christian will go to their place of worship, and Muslim will go to our place of worship. So I think the governor is not doing things right over there, especially Oshun. I'm so surprised that if you are practicing Muslim, you have to wear a hijab. Most of those girls putting on the hijab, they are the ones that do adultery most. And secondly, they are the most ugliest people because they normally stink. Under their hijab, you see them when they pull off the hijab, you will see some kind smell where they come out from their body. So,
Romeo, we don't note your important point. Say, like you talk, say you school for Ilorin. Say Fridays, when you reach to do what you supposed to do, you go your own, do am the way you take do am. But when you come to public where everybody won't learn, everybody must be the same. We appreciate. The other way you talk, na personal opinion.
Yeah,
we get Chukwuemeka. Oga Chukwuemeka, they call us all the way from Surulere. Oga Chukwuemeka, thank you for your patience. Welcome to Asi the Heart.
Chukwuemeka, good morning. You still
Oga
there,
Chukwuemeka,
like?
you there? Like Oga Chukwuemeka, don't go. I beg, if you get the opportunity, call us back to make your important contribution. You get waiting, one of our callers from Maryland, been talk. Name me talk, say, Chinedu from Maryland talk, say, no be problem, say, this person wear this thing. And in truth, no be problem. Everybody get the right for their religion. And Nigeria na secular state. In the sense, say, if we practice any religion, we practice. But with the talk, say, when we come for public, if we understand the fact, say, religion is something when we say, some bad people don't use and divide us for this country.
Thank you very much.
Like I talked earlier, former President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo write letter, go give APC that time, say, may they not choose president will be Muslim and vice president will be Muslim.
Yes.
Say the thing go be like, say, we dey carry one people over the other. I believe, say, what religion don't cause for this country, what we supposed to do now, try as much as we can to fit change them or heal them. And we go begin from the children.
Yes.
I won't make every pikin sit down for class. Look, this person say, Unkubi, now my classmate, he's a big book. I they learn from him, they learn from me. All of us, they write the same exam. Nobody just say, now Muslim, I be Christian. What did no one get to do with the exam when they write? It means that they go pass test.
We get a caller right now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Joe, good morning. Would they hear you?
Yes, so on a good morning.
Good morning, Oga Joe.
I beg my own day short. My own be say I've been wait for this opportunity since. So make police, army, and everybody begin to wear that kind of thing too. Now I want.
Oga Joe, this contribution where you don't talk, he opened a lot of things.
Yes.
He opened a lot of things. Police uniform, soldier uniform, this thing uniform.
Make it identify where you belong to.
Exactly. Student uniform.
And as a matter of fact, as the tech talk about Oga Joe, if they do like this, it also leads to division.
Exactly.
That is what it
Nigeria Police Force. If now maybe something Catholic boys school, and they got to say according to our rules, see how we do it. But if now something public school,
thank you.
Let us ensure that every child that goes there,
irrespective of anywhere where you like, where you come from, you are either a Christian, you are either a Muslim, you are either any of this religion, Buddhist, anything like this.
If not be the kind way you dey, I for don't recommend you say may you become governor.
No,
I don't. No. It can't work.
No.
It can't work. It can't work.
It is not even your right.
I know you.
It is not your right.
I know you.
It is not your right.
It can't work.
It will work.
It will work.
It is not your right to recommend me.
It can't work.
People, our Nigerians, when they want to go, recommend me. But not you. You don't have the status.
Recommend
you. You don't have the status to recommend
you. Tomato is scarce. Recommend you. Fuel price is high. Now, please.
Do I?
We shall. Do I?
We have a caller. Respect yourself.
Oga Chukwuemeka, they call us back from Sule.
Respect yourself.
Do we? Do I? Respect yourself too.
Respect
Don't
yourself.
point at me.
Chukwuemeka, welcome back, Daddy. Talk to us.
Good morning, Oga Chukwuemeka and the phone.
I
Yeah,
agree to Oga
they hear you.
Chukwuemeka.
See, they like this in our program and they enjoy it well.
Thank you very much.
See, you know why Lagos State, they work very well. Their government, they work very well. Because this kind of thing, they happen in Lagos State. You understand? All these grow kata way they happen for that state. That because of that mentality of this kind of stupid judgment. I like waiting the last caller just talk. Make the command do one like that in their state so that there's nothing like uniform. Because during our own time in school, we wear our uniform. If you wear black, when we they wear brown, if you wear black sandal and come to the gate, they will seize your sandal.
Exactly.
Now, where a Christian person could come wear in church clothes come, a Muslim person come wear their own dress code come. What did they go call that school? Say they go call a missionary school. I be they go call a school. I been a market. They go call them. What did they go call them? You know, sometimes we they use our hand. They cause wahala. This one, I don't see them as a big deal, but they don't use that judgment now cause wahala. Sometimes some judge they don't old. They need to retire from that their office, but they never agree retire. Now a lot of people they look for a job. A lot of lawyers now need to, to carry on that kind of duty. But they know all those people now, they don't retire. Normal people enter there. Do normal people do. Like this kind of cloth now where we wear. Now waiting our vice president.
Yes, something like that.
At least you go wear another, carry in bishop cap, put for head, wear another to go office. They make I see how people will say they won't come see them, go come take them.
Oh.
So now what I want to be that?
Thank you.
Maybe don't they
In fact,
use their judgment.
Oga Chukwuemeka.
Yeah.
In fact, you have spoken well. Thank you very, very much for this contribution. Say, or at least make the issue of say, wait till they were, make you know this thing, make we address the matter, make we address them well. We get another caller right now. Good morning.
Oga, God bless from
God
Delta.
bless.
My brother, good morning.
Good
Greet
morning,
you,
Oga. God bless.
The angel of the area, Chukwudi.
Thank you very much, Oga, God bless.
The man when wear black, we don't know what to call him.
But
Illuminati.
I am still an angel.
Which angel? Black angel?
Bless you too.
Illuminati.
You don't do it.
My brother, our leaders of this country, they get problem. What thing did they think of? Now security vote, make it go up. Now money not there again, plenty for them to take. So when there's crisis, security vote will go up for them. So that be the problem we get. Let it concern them with hijab and other things for school. Let the children wear their uniform so you can identify this speaking, which school you go, which school you not go. From which school be this? Everybody go dress like Alaji, they go this thing. Christian speaking go there. So that the governor or who is concerned to think how he go pay in workers. Not be where they think I won't get more security votes. Thank you.
Oga, God bless. Thank you very, very much.
This is 13-0. Because every Nigerian that is calling is standing on the part of this daddy in the Lord.
The issue,
they are standing on the part of this daddy in the Lord. As Nigerians, we must be seen as Nigerians first. We must be seen as Nigerians first.
Daddy in the bush.
Daddy in the Lord.
Whatever you say,
don't point me with your hand.
Go find somewhere, sit down.
Sit down for waiting. I'm speaking the truth. I'm standing on the part of the Nigerian people.
Let the true men that speaks for the people, that always stand for the true Nigerians.
Where are you standing?
Where
are you standing?
We got Oga Israel.
Batman, you are wearing black. Batman.
We got Oga Israel.
Oga Efosa from Israel. Which Israel you get?
Oh, Oga Efosa
when you are wearing
Israel.
Black, how will you know?
No, I need to be attached to the whole system.
Kobe, good morning.
Oga Efosa, good morning, Jari.
Yeah, now good morning.
I greet you, Oga Efosa.
Kobe, this one where you dress like a priest who there for Baptist Church for Jerusalem.
Thank you very much. Bless you.
Yeah, I didn't like our program, but every time I go one call, I go don't try 1 million times. But
no,
you don't fortunately say don't call now. Talk to us.
You don't control now.
Yeah, you see this issue of hijab or no hijab. One, Nigeria, we carry elephant for head. We take like they dig cricket. Then if you come to Israel now, Israel gets the Jewish school. They get their own normal school.
Yes.
The Jewish school now for Jewish alone. That's the religious people alone. They get the other one where other people will not be serious religion, they go. Now, what it concern hijab, now hijab now be the problem within Nigeria. Because if we have president, which is a Muslim, and we have the vice who is a Christian, if they cannot respect the Christian president, vice president, why would they be respecting only the Muslim? We have Christian leaders, and one other thing too, our Christian leaders too, they are not helping matters. Now, this issue now, because it happens in the north, the religious leader, the Christian leader that are in the south will not contribute, they will not say anything at all. They will see it as it's none of their business.
But let me ask you this question. If we ever talk of leaders, share now about religious leaders, or whether religious leaders when they for north or for south, or people when we say they look and say, our children, the first thing when they're supposed to go do for school first,
na to
learn. Make we no go allow and reach the level when we say, it can't be like say, now waiting the picking wear for body.
Segregation.
Now it be the thing when go separate them from other people, but waiting is supposed to learn.
That's where they carry the whole thing. That's where they carry the thing they go, because when you look when you look the problem, because when I hear the news, how can a judge just sit down? They just say something, you just give verdict. How can they just give verdict? You guys, at least as a judge, when you hear a case, as an elderly person, when you hear a case, you go home, you sit down, you think about it, you weigh the options.
Yes.
When you think about this side, you think about this side. You cannot just say you just hear a case today. You just give your verdict. Everybody must wear hijab. I school in Auchi. I started primary 5 in Auchi. It was a Muslim school. I'm a Christian. When it's time for the Lord's Prayer, those who are Muslims, they begin to pray their own Muslim way. We that are Christian, we begin to say, our Father who art in heaven. I don't see anything wrong in that. By this hijab or any hijab. Hijab is not the city, is not the problem of Nigeria now, please.
Oga Efosa, thank you very much for this important contribution all the way from Israel. Oga Bobby, they call us back from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, feel free, second time back to back on top of us in the hot.
Well, what I want to talk, we say, who could be wear here black? It not me say here black, it means say na devil na they worship you. So people they get that right now because what they
thank you, bro.
What did we do well now? Which one be this one?
No. I mean, I try
well, because what who could be here black don't mean say na death or devil thing. So more clarify that work for.
Okay, Bobby, right on. Thank you very much.
Shukudi wear here white can be a very devious man.
Hey.
So,
you know, he said I can be.
No.
Okay, Bobby, right on. It can be. Now we can talk.
It can be.
Clarify the clarifier for both people.
Okay.
So anyway, the thing say the matter. I think the governor he not get anything to do. Everybody see that one say clearly say he not get what to do as a governor of the state. Then secondly, if you want if the say one Muslim people to go they wear hijab, me they create a Muslim school. You understand me now? Because like in Holland here when I did so, they get Jewish school, they get Muslim school.
Very true.
Those who believe say they want me their children learn.
Very true.
The same lesson when they get for
I negotiate get for these other places. Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your important advice. When you don't carry us, give us, so that our government people will do what they're supposed to do.
See the same thing.
Quick one, we go rush enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back.
Oga Bobby, if you call us back, yes, we don't enter the final lap of our program as they hot and the matter all they talk about. Now the judgment where Justice Jide Falolo of Osun State High Court passed where he give license to say, okay, there are female students for public school, maybe they wear hijab. We still collect our course and the matter still very hot. Chukudi still there here and they address the matter as we see them. But Chukudi, make also bear one thing in mind. If we, just as I talked earlier, if we get a particular system where we say, this kind of orientation no dey as part of this education, they as part of the education for Osun State. And just suddenly, from somewhere, you understand, they come they introduce this thing, they come they pass this thing. Now you tell you say, somehow, there's something wrong. Because let us look at it. The last administration under Oyinlola, the last government under Oyinlola, never for once even thought of this. How come we can't get this kind of problem under this government? We get Emeka. Emeka, good morning.
Emeka, sorry, Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning, okay, Emeka.
Yes, not only you are the agreed, I not agreed Chico this morning.
Right, what did he do you? What did he do you? Offend you?
You look like most reverend. You, Chico, get confused. I don't know what you look like.
Okay, Emeka, right now they hear you, contribute.
But that's okay anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe that when it comes to religion, this Christianity or these Muslim things, I think what they personal. It's something that should be personal to you, not committing violence concerning it or killing each other because of it.
Okay.
And now, what thing they happen for where they happen now? My advice is say they play politics with those people, education, and then let them realize now. Students and focus on their book. That is the primary reason why they are there. Focus on their book. Come out well. That is why they send them go school. Now, who are you to fight for God? That means God cannot fight for you. Now, you remember that instance for Bible when after Judas said Jesus Christ and all these people who said them to come to arrest Jesus. Now, Peter asked the master, should we fight? Before the master will say Jack and Robinson. Peter,
you don't come out his sword.
Don't come out his sword, come out person here.
Yeah, that is Marcus. And then this guy, Jesus asked him, who are you to fight for me? Did I ask you to fight for me?
Very important question, and you don't ask, Oga Emeka. And we go move on to Oga Kingsley, when they're on top of our telephone line, all the way from Zaria. Oga Kingsley, good morning. Thank you for your patience. Welcome to Aside Hot.
I agree to now.
Good morning, Oga Kingsley.
Yes, now Dr. Wajagus Kingsley from Zaria. I don't watching a program. I enjoy it well.
Thank you very much.
But I be staunch supporter of Oga Buhari when the guy contest for election.
Okay.
I'd always support Nkubi, me and my wife.
Okay.
But as things happen these days, I don't understand what things happen. And make I leave all waiting on the happen.
Okay.
But I look at this hijab thing. I want to ask you, should the hijab will be in consonance with the uniform? For instance, if they wear red and white,
make the hijab
will
red.
The hijab, fit into either red or white, or anything where they like, they go just they wear come
out from house,
come school. If not like that, then it will be like marketplace. But if somehow it's not blue and white and the hijab looks blue, maybe there wouldn't be much problem. But I agree with what you at the top say, not be our problem for now.
Yes.
As what we should be propagating in school.
Exactly.
Now make our children go learn. When, for US and for Britain and for some European countries where every morning they go pray and all those things, with time, people were like, this is a secular country, you don't really need to pray. It was like Catholic dominated the whole place. You go say, our Father, in the name of the Father, this and that. People, they stopped it in many schools. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, we do.
So I want to know what thing bring about this hijab thing, first of all, in school.
Oga Kingsley, now important question you don't ask, so, and we go also do it, we go also go further to also at least find waiting cause this whole thing. We get a Kobo. Good morning, a Kobo from Ogun State. Good morning.
You see there on top of our telephone line, it be like say the network no gree am. We don't reach the point where we say we no go fit take calls anymore, but now to just round off wetin we dey discuss. And it go good make we point them out clearly here, say religion na part of our society, the way we don dey now. Because at least for more than a century now, we don't live with the fact, say, okay, we get Christians, we get Muslims, we also get people down generations where we say they be traditionalists. It go good make we point them out, say, first and foremost, as a people, we must begin to look, say, okay, this person is a good person. Every religion, they preach peace. Every religion, they preach tolerance. But if you no reflect for the character of that person, now be say na like camouflage the person they take am do. Make we dey look people first, say okay, oh, this person na person wey be say if he add value to my life, or you know they add anything to my life at all. And if children go school, the essence of saying that they go school now knowledge, to go acquire knowledge, to go learn things. And the thing when they learn, now it go make them grow up to become better people, to contribute meaningfully to the growth and development of our society. So all these things when we say they divide us, when we they use, when we don't see for politics, when we say, oh guy, if you be governor, your deputy must be Muslim. If you be Christian, your deputy, make we no allow them enter inside education. When you come like the children will come, they look themselves like say, they don't be the same.
Apart from that, we also add this one to them. Say our children now, they get this brain, we say, and then see, they will just identify, say this thing, now waiting it be. And their brain still very fresh. And if we can't they bring up all these things, where we say, where they know this part, where they know, when they be part of their system right from time. If you like say that same brain will come grab and say, okay, so this is what it is.
Exactly.
I never knew. That division, can't they break, can't they create that division among them. These are things we need to avoid. Make a central thing, say this is what it is. Make everybody they do it, they identify with it in the central, rather than say they create division.
But when we talk, say make we dress like angels, why you can't dress like on another thing?
Yes.
Our people when they for waiting be may I end show now?
End show waiting.
May I end show now?
You say all these talk, wait all the talk says.
Religious tolerance, so.
Make one show. Till tomorrow we'll bring another bonga matter for now on this platform as they heard. From me, will be Mkubi.
Why you go? You don't already forget your name. You don't already forget your name.
No, with this I'm not sending.
Don't come near me with this thing. Don't come near me.
I'm not sending. I'm going to. I will deal with you.
I go use this. I go use this.
I'm not respect your whites. I'm not respect your whites.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.